Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I hope you guys are doing great. And welcome to yet another video on my channel, which is again related to art and craft. So today I'm making the second part of the wall art video that I made last week, which is of course the low budget one, and this one's going to be with more colors for the same workshop that I'm holding at Van Cleef & Arpels event in collaboration with Tashkeel-VC&A. In case you have not seen the other video, the first video, then definitely click the link below and learn from it. If you find this video useful, then definitely make this project, send it to me. I would really love to see it. Share it with your friends and family, and hit subscribe, of course. Did you guys hit like, share, and subscribe? Let's see what we're going to do in this video. Just to let you guys know, I'm going to do the third part of the same artwork, and I'll be sharing that with you in my next video.